Hi friends, this is Sitso from Sitso's Home Economics and you're welcome back to my channel. A simple question for you today. Do you like doing dishes? If your answer is no, and it's a very big no, please watch this video to the end. Now the dishwasher is a washing machine built to wash dishes, plates, cutleries, and even when you want to wash toys or other items in it, it's possible so long as it's dishwasher safe. And so I'm going to take the issues one by one so that you understand in our Ghanaian context in terms of electricity, water, time, and everything. All right. The first thing I'm going to talk about when it comes to the advantages of having a dishwasher is the convenience. Just knowing that I can place all my dirty dishes, cutleries, glass, baby feeding bottles, bowls, jugs, and there's food processors, slow cooker pots. So long as I know I have a machine that I can place all those items in. Press a button. Machine is going to take care of that for me. That convenience alone is a plus. Secondly, your countertop is always clean, because anytime you eat or you soil cutlery or whatever, the next thing, anybody that gets the sink opens the dishwasher and places it in. It's automatic, nothing is left in the sink. Sometimes once in a while it will pile up, like I have going on right now. I'll show you later at the end of the video. Sometimes it piles up because you're tired, it's just life. Okay, even if it gets piled up, there's a machine that is going to take care of it for you, so you just put everything in. A dishwasher saves you about 3,500 gallons of water annually. And it also uses water that is about 70 degrees Celsius hot. You don't put your hand in 70 degrees Celsius hot water. It's not possible. But that is what the dishwasher uses in washing your dishes for you. And so your items come out disinfected. They come out sterilized. You can get a dishwasher for about 1,000 cedis, 1,003, 1,005, 1,008, and it goes on, depending on the brand and whether it's digital or analog. So no matter your budget, okay, you can save or plan and get one, or work with an appliance shop that is willing to give you a dishwasher so you pay in installments. The dishwasher has a basic function. It sprays water from the sprayers at the bottom of the dishwasher. It sprays hot water with a lot of pressure, which washes the dishes for you. That is the basic work of that's all it does. And so it really doesn't matter the brand. It really doesn't matter whether it's digital or analog. They all get the dishes done. I've used a couple of dishwashers, and I've tested some dishwashers for some friends and families, and I have come to understand that they all clean the dishes well. So long as you arrange them properly, you use the right detergent, you are done. So the choice is all yours. Take this advice from me. Do your research very well. There are other videos on YouTube you can watch. Do your research online. Go to Google. Advantages of having a dishwasher. Check prices. Okay. I'm going to show you what I have going on right now in my sink. We've been busy. I currently still have to do some work on my laptop, and I will very soon pack my items into the dishwasher. It will take me less than 5 minutes to pack the things into the dishwasher so that I can concentrate on my work. So if you found this video useful, click the like button. Also click on the notification bell so that you're prompted anytime I upload a video. And also share the video, okay, so that somebody out there would also benefit from this. Also leave your comments down below. Any questions you have, I would love to answer them for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.